Right, good evening to you all. People have seen through the veil of bullshit and actually fucking realise what's going on. So I usually do these videos, don't I, with a little bit of music or some bird sound effects or whatever, and just do it silent, but a pretty good video today, yeah, a pretty good video. A pretty good fucking example of the bullshit in this particular weekend Knox Post Trusted News since 1878 edition. So let's have a run through. Chetwynd Barracks for sale. They're going to extend it, waste money on it for another 3 years. Not that it's ever been used for it. Bit of a motoring accident, you know, you have to get one of them in. Bus companies, of course, you know, that are run by the council, etc. With the MC1R gene there. Men deny murder plot in city shooting, yeah. You down here, it says, denied possessing a prohibited weapon, a Browning 6.5 pistol, yeah, which had a barrel less than 30 centimetres, yeah. Well, that's 6.5 millimetres, like a ball bearing size cartridge. It's going to be a CO2 pistol or an air pistol, that is, a replica type one, and it'll probably turn out that they'll say in a few days or weeks, oh, it was a replica, and he'd cut the barrel down or put a different barrel on it or something, yeah. So that's that, because they're coming after them sort of guns. 6.5 millimetre. Have a look on the internet and see what you can find in 6.5 millimetre Browning pistol. Yeah, have a look. I ain't looked yet, but it doesn't sound very familiar to me. I don't. Anyway, there's the guy who's supposed to have crashed his bus and hurt somebody on board. Yeah. Jensen loses 29-inch locks to help charities. They're really pushing hard, these organised charities at the moment. Coming up with all sorts. I'm even saying they're pushing some fake cancer. They're saying, oh, you know, my relative, my cousin, my friend, whoever's got cancer. Some of them aren't true. I'm telling you. Anyway, look. It's a bit of a strawberry blonde affair going on, and it's the Hershey, with the Hershey Highway, Mr. Pang. Yes. Cabby gave dead man's name to dodge points. OAP sex offender. 85-year-old man appeared at Nottingham Crown Court yesterday to deny 27 indecency charges dating back to the 1960s. Nigel Pipe is alleged to have committed the offences when housemaster at Skegby Hall Children's Home in Mansfield Road, Sutton in Ashfeld, between 1965 and 1969. And this is where they're trying to demonise social media, yeah, by saying all this. Kind of thing. I'm not running for all that because it'll take the video too long, take me too long to upload it. The red's in the red. The tricky trees are in a tricky situation. And they're looking for development and investment, as always. County also in trouble, looking for buyers. The magpies. There you go, here's the tax bill there, look. Next. Not bothered, that's not interesting enough. Instagram threat to children. There you go again, look. Groomers using social media platforms, yeah. Well, there will be some. There's groomers everywhere. Yeah. You can't avoid it. They're going to be everywhere. You just got to teach people how they operate, yeah. Yeah. But they don't want children off the internet for that reason. They want them off there because they don't want them growing up learning what we know. And here's, of course, your cover footage. And look at the title they give it. Hey up me duck. A male Mandarin Duck 33 represents its impressive plumage at Woollerton Park. So basically that's an advert for Woollerton Park with a bird code in it, yeah. And the male Mandarin. Need more shit going on about Forest, trying to promote that. Jeremy Kyle bullshit. Some other bullshit. Knife bullshit. Yeah, just some random knife. Every fucking edition that comes out. Welsh warm to St. David's Day with the daffodils. Yeah, well, and if you go on Wikipedia and just type St. David's Day and then click on the St. David and then click on the Wikipedia link that it gives you, and then look at the photo on the right hand side of the page, or the image that it gives you of St. David, and look at his shoulder. Yeah. Anyway, this is a bit fishy about the Bank of England's Chris Grayling. Bit fishy about the Grayling in firing line over payout. Government has paid 33 million. Fancy that. To Eurotunnel to settle legal action over award of Brexit contracts to ferry firms, including one which has no ships. Huh. Mr. 33 with the Grayling there. Indian pilot released in peace offering. I shave my beard off so I do not look like a normal bloke. I look like pilot now. I shave beard off. Actor. Somali siege, yeah. Police in Somalia's capital say a day-long siege in the heart of Mogadishu has ended with all the Al-Shabaab attackers killed. Reports say at least 24 people have been killed with more than 50 wounded. Has anyone seen that on the news anywhere yet? Is this some exclusive story to not post? Because I've not heard of it. There's the children. Hang on. Plan to turn old police station into offices. La-di-blah. Threatened someone with a needle. Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. What's his name? Let's have a look. Michael Lowe. Who knows? Fucking who cares? What a great picture, look. That's the picture of the day. A roundabout. They've chose that for some symbolic reason, I would have thought. And editor's choice picture. There you go. Editor's choice. With the Canadian geese. Cyan Griffith is part of Reach Nottingham Church. You've seen how many of these shoot-off branches of Christianity have come out of late. In these little weird little churches. La-di-blah, new houses. Edinburgh advert, travel advert. This statue looks a bit side-belly, watery, cheruby kind of thing, doesn't it? I have to have a look into Edinburgh Castle. And the Rose Fountain in Princess Street Gardens. I'll have a look at that. No, can't bother with that. Can't bother with that. Fashion business. Sleaford Mods, apparently in the top 10 album charts or something. Jason Williamson. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. The most exalted order of Star of India and the most eminent order of the Indian Empire. So basically the most Aryan Indians got these. The more Aryan ones. Yeah. Like their current Prime Minister. Next page. Bullshit. Holograph. Shit. shit, prostitutes, 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 gay, lesbian, trans, blah blah blah. Next page, next page, next page. Let's get to the sport. Magpie action going on there. Tricky trees. And there's O'Neill. He ain't gonna do shit for Forest. They need money. He ain't got it. So there you go. In a bit. Peace.